let's do pedicure at home. Add some warm water, add some shampoo, mix it well, make lots of bubbles and add a whole lemon. Leave peels in the water itself. Okay, then add some Epsom salt and mix it well again. Okay, then put your legs. After 2 minutes, scrub your feet with the lemon and leave it for 30 seconds into the water again. And now use your pumice stone, brush and foot file. Don't forget your heel. Okay, with foot file, clean your legs very properly, especially downside of your feet. Repeat on the other foot too and clean both of them. Now make scrub. Let's use scrub with coffee powder, sugar, honey and lemon. Apply it on your both of your foot and just scrub it. Then after that wash it off. Dry your legs with the napkin and in the same water I dip my hands also. Cut your nails and ta-da! You're done. It's so beautiful.